Hey guys, Louie here. It's 7:30 in the evening and it's still daylight in North Carolina. I am back here again tending to my climbing rose up on the pergola, and I wanted to show you one of the things that is a good surprise. Whenever you build something like this, one of the rewards to getting some of this apart from the plants that you're trying to grow is this. Look at that. That's why they're called robin's egg blue. That's that distinct blue on the robins whenever they put their eggs down. But we are experiencing good growth on these roses. We're on pergola number 1, and beyond this there's pergola number 2. The rose on pergola number 2 really is a rapid grower, and we are expecting a very good show for spring into early summer. But these were the frost damage from about a week ago, and what I'm doing right now is I'm stripping these branches. These are the lateral branches that I mentioned to you guys before. Whenever you have a primary branch that goes on a horizontal, which we plan on having to go all the way on top of this pergola, all these leaf buds will form stems, and these are what I call secondary stems. Secondary stems will carry the flowers for the growing year, and basically the idea is the longer you get your rose, its primary branch, to go on a horizontal, you will have more of these lateral branches, and the more lateral branches you get, then the more roses you will have for the season. So I wanted to just give you a quick unedited video, and I wanted to show you again without disturbing the eggs. We cannot touch those eggs, because once you do that, the eggs are spoiled and wildlife will not grow. So let me just give you a last shot before I get down from the pergola here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet of those robin's egg that I showed you. Those eggs are hopefully going to be a part of the wildlife that we are continuing to welcome here in the garden. If you happen to stumble on the channel, do subscribe. We have a lot more content coming up. This is a quick video, and I'll give you a quick goodbye. I hope you're having a good night. This is Louie coming from Acorn Hill, and we'll see you back soon. Bye-bye for now.